Ever been in a situation where you need to pay someone on Venmo, but you're dreading that pesky transaction fee? It's a common dilemma, right? You just want to send a friend a few bucks for your share of dinner, or maybe pay your roommate for your part of the rent, and suddenly you're faced with a fee that makes you wonder if it's even worth it. We've all been there. Venmo is an amazing tool for quick and easy payments, but those fees can really add up, especially if you're making frequent transactions. So, what if I told you there's a way to use Venmo to its full potential, paying friends and family without ever having to worry about a fee? The secret lies in understanding how Venmo's funding sources work and making a few key adjustments to your payment habits. The number one way to avoid Venmo fees is to use a free funding source. This is the most crucial part of the process. Venmo charges a fee when you use a credit card to make a payment. So, the simple solution is to avoid credit cards altogether. Instead, always link and use a debit card or a bank account. When you pay someone using a linked bank account or a debit card, Venmo doesn't charge you a fee. It's that simple. Go into your Venmo settings, and under Payment Methods, make sure your bank account and debit card are linked. When you send a payment, just double-check that you've selected one of these as your funding source. What about instant transfers? Venmo's standard bank transfer is free, but it can take a few business days. If you need the money instantly in your bank account, Venmo will charge a small fee. This is a fee for you, the receiver, not the sender. So, if you're the one receiving money and you're not in a hurry, just select the standard bank transfer option to get your money for free in a few days. If you really need it instantly, then you have to accept the fee. But remember, as a sender, using a debit card or bank account is the key to paying someone without any fees. So, to recap, to avoid Venmo fees, always pay using a linked bank account or a debit card, and avoid using a credit card. It's a small change in habit that can save you a lot of money in the long run. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.